So the question here is any idea on what to do about a car and bank account to avoid probate? Something that you can do today to ensure that your bank accounts or just any sort of financial accounts do not have to go through the probate process. That's filling out the beneficiary designation and what's called like the payment on death. That's what people are talking about when they are talking about payment on death accounts. It's essentially saying that I am naming someone upon my death for this account to pay to. This is controlled by operation of law. Upon your passing, if you have filled out this beneficiary designation, those monies are naturally going to be received by the person who's designated on the paperwork. We see bank accounts either going through legal proceedings or the probate process because one of three things have happened. You've named a child and a child cannot accept or cannot contract. So now we're going to have to get a guardian in place to handle, preserve, hold those monies until the child reaches the age of majority, or you've not named anyone at all. And so now it's going to have to go to the estate and possibly through probate if there's been no sort of estate planning in place. Finally, you've named someone, but that individual's passed away. So they're literally unavailable to receive the payments. It's very important to regularly check your bank accounts to make sure that you have named someone, make sure that person is still alive, and make sure that the individual is not a minor. We can avoid all of those legal proceedings if all three of those things are essentially not done or met. As far as cars go, in the state of Maryland, the Maryland Department of Transportation has a vehicle beneficiary form in which you can nominate a beneficiary to take your car or take title to your car at death. You have to fill this document out prior to death. That is a way that you can ensure that your car kind of just passes without having to go through the probate process.